In previous video I showed you sewing crafts for kids from age of 3. In this video I'm gonna show you Fox the Maker sewing cards for kids from age of 5.
Watch it, learn, do it yourself. Together with Fox the Maker.
Hi, my name is Agrita and I'm one of the creative moms from Fox the Maker. If you are new here, push that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any future videos. Here in Fox the Maker we have made different design sewing cards for kids to fit boys and girls. We have unicorn, flower, rainbow, superhero, hedgehog and rocket ship. Why choose sewing crafts for kids? I will tell you 3 reasons why. First, it develops fine motor skills. Second, it is in close connection with language and speaking development. And third, working with needle teaches how to hold pen correctly. And that is very important in this age before starting school. Hope this will help you to choose next craft kit for your kid. Have a nice craft!